Again, oh, it's okay. Fuck you. I'm gonna take a video yet.
Oh, you guys look so cute together. Let's see some action, guys. Let's make a porno. Ah, look at that. You just keep on looking back at him. Brittany. Alex is feeling special. That's why he's actually flicking me off.
Are you done?
Why are you looking at Alex? Gosh. You just can't keep your eyes off of him.
I know.
You being a fucking douchebag, dude.
Who's that? Who's that? Oh my god.
I just said that to his side. She's like, wait, I got a text message. I was like, oh my god, you're not popular.
Stop hitting my foot.
I didn't even move my foot.
Okay, calm down.
Look at baby.
You guys both have big heads.
Thank you.
No, you have a bigger head than I do, just to let you know.
But you guys both have like the same head.
Thanks for the observation.
Yeah.
I'm very observant of you. Appreciate
How
it.
does that have to do with what you were going to show us? What was you going to show us? Can you stop
I don't
recording?
know. And this is a fucking towel machine going out of order. Yeah.
What's that?
No, at school. I just kept on going and going and going.
That's funny.
Nobody else like doing.
Alright, let's take a picture, guys.
No.
Alex is all up for it. You fucking shit. Be all up for it.
No.
Okay.
Are you, yeah? Yeah, come on.
No, I still got 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And it's been 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Just stay quiet.
Oh, let's play the silent game, guys. Who can win? All you want was that bit of yell, Brittany.
No, because when people call it a silent game, I can't, like...
Keep it silent.
It's the truth. Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
You don't want to put this on Facebook, right?
Yeah.
Why would you put that on Facebook?
Yeah.
I would be like, oh, look at these lovebirds.
No.
And you know who's gonna like it? Guess who's the first person that's gonna like it, guys?
Maria.
Exactly! Say hi to them so that way they can see it.
There.
Stop trying to be like me, Alex.
I'll be like me then.
Wait, I missed it. No.
Replay.
You should do the voice now.
Do it.
Hey guys, how's it going?
That's what I'm talking about.
No, not on camera. I can't do that shit. Yeah, I can do that little sweet, deep sexual work.
No. I think you did the other thing better, right?
What other thing?
The gay thing?
Oh, talk gay, Alex.
What do you speak of? What are you talking about? Gay? What is gay?
What is
Happy?
gay?
I'm happy, yeah.
Okay, just one more shot. Both of you guys, I mean, no, not both of you guys, but just like be in there so, para que lo acabe.
No.
I'm gonna turn it off when you guys are
When
there.
your face comes out of me.
You do like,
See, I'm in right there.
Okay. No.
You know what? You shit. I had enough of it.
Aren't the 2 minutes up?
No, 10 seconds.
I see that.
I'm scratching your head. Wait. A ver.
¿Ya acabaste? ¿Did you say something else?